Boom here and welcome to Forex Bin Wahab, and in this video I'm going to show you our next week gold analysis, that means technical analysis and chart analysis. Okay, as you can see there, I just selected here weekly time frame because before we're going to start we need to find out the market direction, and as you can see the market is on buy trend. Okay, market is on buy trend. Okay, and as you can see the market just trying to reach or trying to break this area, that means this resistance area 1 2 and chart time it just starts here and it just trying to go up, but each and every time it just go back from that area, that means this particular area. Okay, so let's make a deeper analysis based on weekly, daily and h4 and h1 also. Okay, so firstly we need to analyze the market for the longer time frame, then we will go for a smaller time frame. Okay, and if we draw a trend line, maybe there is trend line as you can see there, and it just break over here and by this candle, and it just trying to go out, or it just trying to break, and it also break and it just give us a pullback. As you can see there, again it just trying to go up. Okay, you may ask, Mr. Boom, previously it just touched 1-2 time but it go down, but why it on buy, or you may saying it going to buy, why? Okay, there is the candle confirmation. As you can see there, there is 3 black cross candle confirmation to go buy. So in my point of view, market is on buy, that means market is going to buy from Monday for the weekly perspective. Okay, so if we get back into daily time frame, let me make it a D1 time frame, that means daily time frame. As you can see there, if we try to draw a trend line, as I said, on weekly time frame, if we want to make that, and as you can see there, okay, it just break around that area and it just give us a pullback and trying to go up, and because of this resistance zone, it just trying to go down, and it may go down till that area, and again if it have to go by for why, for the trend line perspective. Okay, for the weekly perspective, and if we want to draw another trend line around that area, as you can see there, market just following this area and it just trying to go up. Okay, and from my view, as you can see there, market is on buy for the daily time frame. Okay, and if we draw this flag pattern, as you can see there, it just go and it just trying to make a triangle pattern over here, and it just break from the resistance trend line. Okay, so from daily perspective, market is on buy trend. Okay, and if we select h4 time frame, as you can see there, on h4 time frame, okay, and if we remove all of them from the chart, let remove all of them, and if we draw a triangle around that area, okay, for 4-hour time frame, if it go down a little bit more, and again if it go up, and if it give us pullback around that area, and again it will go back buy. Okay, if we trade on a 4-hour time frame, if we have to wait till break this red area. Okay, if it break, then give us a pullback, then again we can take buy around that area. Our SL should be around that area, near that area. Suppose SL 50 pips. Okay, 50 pips, our TP should be 150 pips. Okay, and if we draw more smaller time frame like h1 time frame, so let me remove that h1 time frame. As you can see there, it just make a pattern around that area. So okay, it just make a breakout around that area and giving us pullback, and we can take a buy entry around that area. Okay, buy entry around that area. Our SL should be below this line. Okay, and TP should be around that area. So here is 50 and 150. Okay, 1:3 risk reward ratio. So if you are looking for more smaller time frame like M15 time frame, as we trade for scalping, as you can see there, if we make that like that, okay, if we want to make a channel over here like that, okay, as you can see there, it just trying to go ups and down, and again buy from that area. Okay, so market is on buy trend, so you may wait for the confirmation. You may take entry for the different time frame or different perspective. It's depend on your trading style. Which time frame do you want to trade, or which time frame do you prefer to trade? Okay, and one more analysis for daily time frame, that is Fibonacci retracement. If we want to draw Fibonacci for each day one time frame, okay, let's draw the Fibonacci from that area. Let me make it around here to here. Okay, let me make it little bit accurate. Okay, as you can see there, here is our latest Fibo support zone. So if it touch around our Fibo area around, which is around Fibo area, which is around 2691, so it may touch 2691, then again it will go buy from 2691 area. Our next support area should be, our next resistance area should be around 2789. Okay, 2691 to 2769. Okay, so here is a proper channel to go by, or proper way to go by. So I hope you understand the technical analysis or technical theory. So if you want to take entry, you must have to follow our Telegram channel, because if we need to adjust our TP, SL, or adjust our plus BE or break even, we always updating on our Telegram channel. So you may join our Telegram channel, t.me/fxbillionhub. Hopefully this video will help you a lot to take a decision on the market. So that's for now. Happy trading. Have a nice day.